Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of instant photography with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 instant camera in vintage black. This stylish and compact camera is perfect for capturing memories on the go, featuring an optical image viewfinder, auto exposure, and a built-in flash to ensure your photos come out just right every time. The bundle includes a Fujifilm Value Pack with 40 sheets of film, allowing you to instantly print credit card-sized photos with the simple press of a button and watch the images develop right before your eyes. To keep your camera safe and stylish, the package also includes a unique shutter accessories bundle, complete with a vintage-style compatible carrying case featuring a removable strap for added comfort and a black photo album with 64 pockets to store your cherished prints. The camera is covered under Fujifilm USA warranty, while the case and accessories are protected by the Shutter brand warranty, ensuring peace of mind with every snap. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 is colorful, fun, and incredibly cool, making it the perfect companion for capturing life's unforgettable moments. So grab your camera, hit the streets, and let the adventure begin with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 instant camera.